Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. Let's click on the View tab and have a look at the Slide Master. The Slide Master is this big thumbnail at the top. Any changes that we make on this slide will appear on all the layout slides, things like logos, images and fonts. Let's make some changes to our Slide Master. We're going to use our own color scheme, which we created in our previous video. We can change the background style. And we see that immediately all of the slide layouts change too. We can add a logo to our Slide Master. Hold down Control, resize the image and drag it into position. Back to the Slide Master tab. Let's change the font style. If we choose Customize Fonts, we can create our own combination of fonts. And we can delete the placeholder boxes that we won't be using. On the title slide, let's move the placeholder box up here and delete the other boxes. Right click to rename this title slide. We can create our own layout slide and create our own placeholders. We'll have a text placeholder up here. We'll have a picture placeholder, nice and big. We'll have 3 text placeholders. Resize the font and place them in the right position. Above each placeholder, we want a separate heading. We can do this by using a normal text box. Add some basic formatting. Copy and paste. And when we're done, back to the Slide Master to rename this layout. Close the Slide Master view. Now we can start to build our presentation. Change this slide to use our new main slide. Enter our heading. Right click to format the background. And we want to insert a picture. Insert the next slide and change the layout to use our custom layout. Click the button to insert a picture and we can fill out all the boxes. Select the thumbnail, press enter to insert another slide. On the Transitions tab, Choose a transition type. Change the timings and apply this to all the slides. And now it's time to run the slideshow.